So this is my beard trimmer, IPX7 washable body. So it's a little bit water resistant. It has 40 length settings and 90-minute cordless use. You can use it without your adapter plugged in for almost an hour and a half. Self-sharpening blades, which I have no idea what it means. And see on the back, we have one beard trimmer, one user manual, one power cord, one trimming comb, one travel pouch, and one cleaning brush. Okay, MRP is $14.99 printed on the box, and on Amazon it's $1,200, which is okay. Let me just calculate it fast. Around $20 US. Okay, and the dimension of this 4.8 into 3.8 into 15.4 centimeter, and stuff. Country of origin China. Let's just open it up. There seems to be a seal on top and bottom. Let's open it up. A user manual. Do I even need a user manual to use a trimmer? The blade heads need to be correctly installed before use and stuff. Okay, this may look like the schematic of its knob, on off, indicator, LED 1 to 3. There are 3 LED indicators. Travel pouch, cleaning brush, and let's just ignore it and open it up. Okay, I don't know if that's how you're supposed to open it up, but whatever. That's how I would open it up. A travel pouch, and I drop the brush. Okay, here you have the brush, pretty generic, nothing special about it, but I like the quality of the pouch that we have here. With the MI branding on the bottom. Okay, it seems to be soft, but and here you have the power cord. For a second I thought they gave me a micro USB cable but no, it's just a power extension cord. Okay, and there you have, what do we have here? Trimming comb. Okay, and the trimmer itself, it has a weight to it. It's pretty heavy, but anyway, I think it's interchangeable. I'm not sure. If I try to do that, this is it. The plastic seems pretty high quality, and we have the knob up here. As you can see, as soon as I move the knob, it goes up and down to adjust the height. And here we have a power button. Let's just, okay, it just started. It fired up as soon as I pressed the button. Okay, the 3 LED indicators, I think the 3 LED indicators down here must be there to show the battery level on the trimmer. And that's it. It's just one click to on and one click to off. After reading the reviews on Amazon, I am pretty sure it works great, and I will let you guys know, be updated about how well it works. So this is it, the unboxing. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Let's just see if it's charged or not. Okay, I'm just gonna wait a second. Where the f is the adapter? Are you kidding me? I think you're supposed to plug this in on a phone's adapter, or for your laptop. Let me show you. You can just plug it in any charger. I'm gonna take this cable and plug this into my laptop to see if it gets charged by the voltage from my laptop. And just gonna plug this in, and it started charging. It just need a USB port, so it's pretty good. I can just charge it with my power bank. Okay, let me just test my power bank. Is my MI power bank. It's a pretty old power bank, around 2 or 3 years. Let me just plug it in. Okay, the other way around. Okay, it started charging and I think it's turned on, so it can be charged through a power bank, which is a great thing that this trimmer has, cause other trimmers may require you to just charge it through the power outlet, which sometimes isn't possible. So that's great. And as you can see, the top can be removed and changed with other what is what trimmer comb. It can be changed with other trimmer comb. So how do we insert this in? Just put this here and slide it in. Here you go. Tap to on, tap to off. It's different sizes. I think one can be used to trim your beard and one can be used to trim your hair, and depending on the size you want, you can use both of them on your head or your beard, whatever suits you. So this is it. Let me just adjust the size on this one too. Okay, I like it. So this is a pretty good product from MI. I wasn't sure about this before buying, but the reviews on Amazon seems to be comforting. And how do you remove this? Just pull this from here and done. But I would recommend you to read the manual. Don't pull it like that, just like I did. And you have the MI branding here. You may break it. Okay, so you may break it. So this is it. I'm not gonna touch the blade here because it could really seriously hurt my fingers. So this is it. You get an external power cord, USB power cord. You need to use your own phone adapter or any other USB port, and 2 trimmer combs and 1 manual and a tiny little brush to clean it off like that. This can be opened or something. Okay, I'm seeing something showing here open. I think this is used to remove it and then clean later. Oh, I'm just gonna leave this right here. I'm gonna read the manual before trying to opening it like this. So this is it. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. And if you need the link to buy this product, it will be in the description below. Peace.